I am Nia Renee. I am a multi-hyphenate graphic designer and creative strategist that essentially is just helping people with big ideas authentically tell their stories. My friend sent me their call for creative residence. And so I started looking a little bit more deeply into it, and my background is in sound, and I was like, oh, it's a studio, but they are allowing people to do stuff more than just recording music, so I applied. I just wanted to figure out how to get back to sound. And when I was presented with this opportunity, I think I just realized that this was a good way for me to get out of such a visual space and back into my first love. And I think I did that because I did a podcast. It's coming out in 2025. When I started working with Sovereign, I didn't really know what I wanted to come off as. Unfortunately, I don't know. As I was talking to people, I started to realize that, oh shoot, I can merge the two. I don't have to keep them so separately. Everyone's really encouraging me to just be myself, and then I started to find my voice. And I think that was the biggest thing I got out of it. And I think I now approach my passion projects in a way that's sort of similar to how I am all in for everyone else.